Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Telegram too many attempts. If you're using Telegram and you're trying to log in with your account but you're facing the issue that whenever you try to log in with your account, you see another message that too many attempts, please try again later. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing you just have to simply go back and you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So once you have checked, you just have to simply go to the App Store or Play Store and go for search for Telegram, and you just have to try to update your Telegram app. So you have to make sure that you have any pending update for your Telegram app. If you find this, try to update your app. And once you have updated, you have to simply go back from here and you have to retry or recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go for settings app here, go for general, go for iPhone storage here, just look for Telegram app, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to completely delete or uninstall your app. So just go to Telegram section and you have to try to offload app, or you can also try to completely delete your app. So once I've offloaded or deleted, so if there will be any cache causing this error, so it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. But in some cases, if you're still facing the same issue, so it might be that you're trying again and again with an incorrect password or the code. So you just have to try to wait for almost 10 minutes or 1 hour, or sometimes it might take 24 hours. So you just have to wait for this, and after 24 hours, you have to retry. So you have to make sure that you haven't tried to log in between 24 hours. It will refresh the or restart the timer. So you have to try to wait for almost 24 hours, and then you can retry to log in with your account without an issue like that. So in this way, you can easily fix your Telegram login issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.